Wow, look at Liam crawling. Doing so good. Oh boy, he's doing so good. He's a big boy crawling. Yeah? Where are you going? Where are you going? To get Lily? Is she your goal? Lily, what are you doing? Liam wants to get you. Uh-oh. Look at him going. Look at that baby going. Liam, you crawling? Oh. It's so hard, but you're doing so good. You done? Oh, downward dog. Downward dog. Good yoga. Be careful. There he goes.